The vegetarian path to healthy aging. Usually people go for a vegetarian diet in an effort to boost their health or reduce their risk for disease. Though the benefits of a plant diet are well known, not all vegetarian diets can be considered as nutritious. If you are planning to become a vegetarian, you should consult a doctor first and proceed according to his advice. However, the following suggestions may help you to get started. Since it may take time for you to learn to cook vegetarian dishes, you should try out various recipes and finally settle on those you find tasty and easy to prepare. If you really are serious about sticking to vegan, you should read the labels of packaged foods carefully, as you may find animal products in them which may be listed in difficult to detect ways. Switch to vegan gradually so that your body can adapt to it. You should also decide whether you are moving from non-vegetarian to partial vegetarian or total vegetarian. It would be comfortable to become a partial vegetarian to start with and then move on from there if it suits you. It is important to include adequate plant protein in your diet. Combine plant sources of iron with ingredients high in vitamin C such as red bell peppers, oranges and strawberries so that your body can absorb the iron well. Ensure that you include a reliable source of B12 in your diet. You can become a vegetarian at any age. Actually, a meat-free diet could be especially beneficial for older adults. A number of studies suggest that eating more plant-based foods can reduce the risk of age-related health conditions and may even help you live longer. Of course, the details matter. You could call yourself a vegan if you ate French fries for 3 meals a day, but you'd hardly be a healthy one. It's still important to eat a balanced diet of nutrient-dense foods. Find out what a vegetarian diet can do for you. Eating more plants may help you look and feel younger. Vegetarian eating for seniors. There is ample evidence that vegetarians may be less prone to heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity and certain cancers. A review by a Committee for Responsible Medicine found that a plant-based diet lowers the risk of heart attacks by 40% and the risk of type 2 diabetes by 50%. These strategies can help you go vegetarian to strengthen your health. Number 1. Limit processed food. Herbivores and carnivores have at least one thing in common. A nutritious diet must be based on whole foods rather than ultra-processed items, high in sugar, salt and empty calories. Number 2. Emphasize fiber. Most plant foods have the advantage of being high in dietary fiber. They help you to stabilize your blood sugar and lose weight. Number 3. Increase your protein intake. A high-protein diet fills you up too. It also helps preserve bone and muscle mass. Smart choices include beans, nuts, soy, and dairy products. Number 4. Check labels. Some essential nutrients like vitamin B12 are found only in animal-based foods. You may be able to meet your requirements by eating fortified foods like cereal and plant milks or taking supplements. Fortified foods may also help you to get adequate vitamin D and calcium. Number 5. Choose healthy fats. Most experts recommend getting about 30% of your daily calories from fat. Omega-3 fatty acids are especially helpful because they reduce inflammation. Reliable sources include nuts, seeds, and plant oils. Number 6. Make gradual changes. Maybe you want to become a vegetarian or vegan. Maybe you just want to enjoy meatless Mondays. Replacing meat with plant-based foods can be beneficial even on a small scale. Number 7. Remember your purpose. Seniors choose a vegetarian diet for many reasons. You may be motivated by health concerns or protecting the environment. Other tips for healthy aging. Lifestyle has a major impact on how you age. In addition to eating more plant foods, think about your other daily habits. Keep these tips in mind. Number 1. Stay active. Physical exercise can help keep your mind and body fit. Find a variety of activities that you enjoy. Take senior yoga classes online. Buy a stationary bicycle that you can ride at home on rainy days. 2. Sleep well. Your sleep patterns may change as you age, but you still need about 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Go to bed on a regular schedule and keep your bedroom dark and quiet. 3. Manage stress. Find relaxation practices that work for you. Listen to instrumental music or take a warm bath. Meditate each day or practice deep breathing. 4. Connect with others. You may be able to prevent dementia and other conditions by cultivating close relationships. 5. Talk with your doctor. Your health care team can help you understand how your diet and other lifestyle choices affect your health. Be proactive about staying informed and asking questions. Although following a vegetarian diet has its pros and cons, those following it must select foods wisely. The more you limit your diet, the more difficulty you will have in consuming the daily nutrients you need to fuel your body. Being a healthy vegetarian will take a lot of meal planning. Vegetarians may need supplements to get all the nutrients the body needs. If you do it the right way, a vegetarian diet can offer you a healthful lifestyle. Hold on to your health and well-being as you grow older. Enjoy a diet low in calories and rich in nutrients from a variety of plant-based foods. Becoming a vegetarian, a well-balanced one, that is definitely the biggest step you will be taking towards improving your health. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.